let's get into some questions. This is not going to be too long of a podcast. I'm going to I've got a lot of questions popping up in TikTok, shockingly enough. I mean, I did not expect this, but I've got about 2,000 followers there so far, and they're very active. A lot of questions here, but let me see if I can answer a couple before I leave. If you're interested in following me on TikTok, just go to ConvoCourses. Go to TikTok and then search ConvoCourses. Somebody asked, I'm in the healthcare field and I'm trying to go with the Security Plus and the HCISPP, which is like a healthcare cybersecurity certification from ISC2 to stay relevant. Any tips? Yeah, so this is great. And I'm going to make another video about this specifically on TikTok, but I wanted to speak to this with the podcast. So for this, as you're going to Security Plus, as you're going to HCISPP, I would actually do some labs in your house. One of the best ways to go deeper into this subject is actually have a lab in your house. Like, that means get a separate computer, or you can actually do it on your computer that you use. Get your laptop, your whatever workstation you use in your house, and you can use something called VMware, and you can put different operating systems on that computer, or you can just buy a whole nother computer, build it from scratch, and then put the security features on that. That's a little bit more expensive. With VMware, I don't think it's more than about $200. VMware itself, the software sounds pretty expensive, but you're investing in yourself. So just think of it like that. You're investing in yourself. VMware works.